If you work 40 hours a week for 40 years, you might retire rich. That is the standard rule. It is safe, it is honorable. It is also painfully slow. But look around. Some people are bypassing this entire timeline. They are building wealth so fast, it literally looks like they are cheating. They aren't geniuses. They don't have secret trust funds. And they certainly don't work 100 times harder than you. So, what is the secret? Forget everything you've been told about hard work for a second. Think of the economy like a video game. Most players follow the main quest. They grind for decades for tiny rewards. But a select few find a glitch in the system, a hidden door that skips the entire grind. Today, I am breaking down the 3 ultimate wealth glitches so you can stop playing the game on hard mode.
Let's start with glitch number 1. Stop selling your time. Imagine 2 friends, Tom and Alex. Both are incredible graphic designers. Tom decides to freelance. He charges a premium price of $100 per hour. If Tom works 10 hours, he makes $1,000. It sounds amazing. But here is the problem. Tom runs out of hours. There are only 24 hours in a day. If Tom gets sick, his income drops to 0. If he wants to make more money, he has to work harder, sweat more, and sacrifice his weekends. Tom is playing a linear game. Now look at Alex. Alex refuses to sell his hours. Instead, he spends 10 hours creating a single digital design template. He uploads it to an online marketplace. On Monday, 100 people buy his template for $20. On Tuesday, another 100 people buy it. Alex is sleeping. He's eating dinner. He's hanging out with friends. Yet, his bank account keeps growing. Pause. What did Alex do? He broke the link between time and money. This is called leverage. The internet allows you to build an asset once and sell it 1,000,000 times. Code, media, and digital products work for you while you sleep. Tom works for money. Money works for Alex. If your income depends on you physically showing up, you aren't building wealth. You are just renting out your life.
Glitch number 2. Play asymmetric games. Most people are terrified of failure. They think starting a business means risking everything. So they play safe, symmetric games. Take a look at Leo. Leo wants to open a traditional Italian restaurant. He takes out a $200,000 loan. He signs a 5-year lease, buys expensive ovens, and hires a full kitchen staff. Now think about his stakes. If the restaurant fails, which most do, Leo loses $200,000. He goes completely bankrupt. But what if it succeeds? He makes a decent profit, but he is limited by the number of tables in his room. This is a bad game. High downside, limited upside. Now look at Maya. Maya wants to build a business too, but she understands asymmetry. She decides to write a software plugin or start a niche media channel from her bedroom. What is her financial cost? $0. Just her time and a laptop. If her project fails, she loses nothing. She is down $0. She just deletes the file and tries again next weekend. But what if she succeeds? Her software can be downloaded by millions of people worldwide. She can make millions of dollars overnight. This is an asymmetric game. Tiny downside, infinite upside. The rich do not take massive, reckless risks. They are actually very careful. They just play games where losing costs $1, but winning pays a fortune. Look at your current goals. If failure ruins you financially, walk away. Find a game where you can fail 10 times, survive, and get rich on the 11th try.
Glitch number 3. Own the basket. Remember what a company actually is. It is just a basket filled with valuable stuff. Brand names, tools, patents, and customer lists. Imagine a local moving company owned by Mr. Green. He hires Jack to drive the truck. Jack is a machine. He works incredibly hard. He carries heavy couches up 5 flights of stairs in the blazing sun. He sweats, he bleeds, and he puts in 12-hour days. At the end of the year, the moving company makes massive profits. Mr. Green buys a brand new Mercedes. Jack gets a $500 bonus and a pat on the back. Is Mr. Green evil? No. He just understands how the basket works. Jack is an employee. He sells his labor. His wage is fixed. But Mr. Green owns the basket. He owns the trucks, the contracts, and the brand. As the economy grows, the value of the basket explodes. Jack's hourly wage stays exactly the same. You will never get rich building someone else's basket. To get wealthy fast, you must own equity. You must own a piece of a business, a piece of real estate, or a piece of a stock. Equity is the ultimate cheat code. It turns your daily efforts into an asset that grows in value even when you walk away. Here is the brutal truth. None of these glitches are legal. They aren't even secrets. They only feel like cheating because society trains us to do the exact opposite. From the day you enter school, you are trained to be like Tom, Leo, and Jack. You are taught to sell your hours, avoid creative risks, and spend your life building other people's baskets. Breaking free from that conditioning is the real challenge. It is boring, quiet, and lonely work at first. But once your assets start compounding, the speed of your wealth will terrify you. Stop grinding the main quest. Start utilizing the system. Thanks for watching. If you want to see exactly how the world's most successful investors spot these asymmetric games and buy the best baskets, click on the playlist you see on your screen right now.